Good evening, trader, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trader and UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Guys, today I'm gonna do the forecasting of all euro pairs. Before I start the forecasting, I just want to request you, everyone, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be updated for my upcoming videos. And the second very important thing, on Wednesday 31st of July, USD Fed rates are coming, so be careful when you guys are doing trading because there is a lot of volatility in the market we're gonna see upcoming week. So please don't trade with the bigger lot sizes. Always trade with the small lot sizes, and don't hold trades for long term. If you are doing trading in USD, you have to be careful and you have to trade with the small lot sizes and short-term trade. So let's come to the point. We're gonna start our forecasting. So we're gonna start with Euro JPY. As you can see, guys, the Euro JPY is came to my key support level. So I'm expecting this pair to go up, but I'm still looking for little bit downside. So uh, when the market open, I will wait for confirmation. I'm expecting this pair to come down at least my daily support. This is my daily support level. So then I will have a look. I will wait for that how pairs gonna react. So I will wait for different movement, like as you can see, I will wait for this kind of confirmation. When I got the confirmation, and then we will see, and then it will be go up. I'm expecting this pair to go up at least 123, 122, at least my this resistance level. Let's move to the next pair, which is Euro USD. As you guys know, there's a lot of downside movement in Euro USD pair in the last couple of days. We see the movement on Thursday as well, and we saw the movement on Friday as well. So Euro is already on my it's already touched on my support level, and the people who are in my paid group, who are in my signal channel, they already knew we bought it Euro from here. So I'm expecting Euro USD to go up. So when the market open, if you guys wants to buy Euro, you can buy easily because I'm expecting Euro USD to go up. Let's move to next pair, Euro GBP. Yeah, Euro GBP. I'm a big fan of selling Euro GBP for a long term because this pair will be go down a lot, but it's close it over there. It's nearly about 89, 85. So I'm just waiting for one moment. I'm gonna sell Euro GBP anyway. Coming week I'm gonna sell Euro GBP. So I'm just waiting for this moment. I'm just waiting for this confirmation from Euro. When I got this confirmation, trading confirmation, then I'm gonna wait to break out, and then I'm gonna sell Euro GBP. Let's move to next pair, Euro AUD. That's one of my favorite pair, guys. If you want to buy Euro AUD, please don't buy for long, because I used to trade this pair on 1.45 and 1.35. Yes, you heard it right, 1.45 and 1.35. So what I was expecting from Euro pairs, Euro AUD, I'm just waiting for this moment. I am literally waiting for this moment because I'm gonna sell Euro AUD, and I will wait for breakout. When I got the confirmation, right now it's on about 1.6103, so I will wait for 1.60 or 1.61, and definitely I'm gonna sell Euro because I'm expecting Euro AUD to come down. So if you want to sell, just when the market open, wait for a little bit, let it goes down a bit up, and then you need to sell, because I'm gonna definitely sell this pair next coming week. Euro CHF, yeah, it's already touched my, as you can see guys, it's already touched my daily resistance, sorry, daily support, and I think our paid member take this trade as well. I posted that signal in my paid channel group. But right now, I'm expecting and I'm waiting for this moment. And when I get the confirmation, when I got the breakout, and then I'm gonna buy euro chef because I'm expecting euro chef to go up, and it will go up a lot. uh, Let me zoom out a bit, or let me go move to weekly chart. As you can see, I'm expecting this pair to go up a lot, at least this level here. But it's not gonna happen in 1 day or 2 day, it will take time. Let's move on to our next player, Euro New Zealand. Some of the guys who are in my paid group channel, uh, they knew we take this trade, we take this move about 200 pips in about 30 or 40 seconds. We take this trade on Friday. The paid members who are listening to me, they knew what trade I'm talking about. From now, uh, in long term, I'm a big fan of Euro New Zealand, because the New Zealand pair is gonna be good. The New Zealand pair will gonna be up in coming days. So I'm a big fan of Euro. I'm a big fan of to sailing Euro New Zealand, but we still need to wait for the confirmation. So when the market opened, I will wait for this move, and when I got the confirmation, when I got the breakout, I will definitely gonna sell, and I'm expecting euro to come down at least by this support level. Let's move to euro CAD. It's last but not the least. Yeah, euro CAD is on a good place to buy because it's near to my support level. So I just wait for confirmation, and then I'm gonna buy EuroCAD upcoming week, and I'm expecting EuroCAD to go up. So that's it, guys. That's the forecasting of this week. That's the forecasting of upcoming week for euro pairs. So guys, please comment in the comment section and tell me how you like the videos. Please like my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel so you will be updated for my upcoming video. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Cheers. Bye.